Hello all, welcome to Geeks Authority. Today I'm going to discuss something about how I fixed my Rav4 check engine light 4-wheel drive VSC lights on. It turned out to be a oxygen sensor. I just purchased a small lift from Kijiji for $20. I lift the vehicle up. All you need to do is actually unplug the batteries, and actually these are the items which you may need to buy if you want to replace it. Mine is a 2006 Rav4, and here is a small diagram what you need to do. I am no way a mechanic, I have no idea, but I just learned it from the YouTube or some other places how to fix it. All you need to do is actually take off a small flap from beneath there. It is very easy to pull off. Once you pull that off, as you can see, there is a small clip there, and you unplug that and actually take that small wire off. Actually it goes down to your catalytic converter. I'm trying to show that one more time where it was clipped. Doesn't matter, you can easily unclip it. I'm just trying to show you. This is the oxygen sensor which I purchased from Amazon. It cost only $50 or so, where the dealership quoted me about $700 to change it. So I got it done in $60. So this is the number which you need to purchase, and that's an oxygen sensor. It's very easy, convenient. It's a small thing. If you know how to follow this video, then yeah, you'll be able to do it by yourself. It comes with a manual as well. It tells you exactly what needs to be done, so you have everything what you need to go ahead and change your oxygen sensor and save some money. You must buy that oxygen sensor socket. It is a lifesaver. It saved me really. It was really a helpful thing for me, as I had no clue about all these things, how it changes and everything, but it worked out very well for me. So this is actually the underneath the vehicle. It is, keep in mind, it is very tight, so you need that oxygen sensor socket plugged in very nicely, and make sure when you it is very tight as well, so when you loosen it, don't break it. You have to be very careful. So gives couple of good pull, it should come out off very easily. Shouldn't be any problem at all. Sorry about dark, the video is a little bit dark, sorry about that. Yeah, it just came off and is now ready to install. Make sure you clean that place very well. Now the sensor here, I am actually going to apply that that stuff came with it. I don't know what exactly is that, but it looks like it will help you to unscrew it later sometime if you wanted to, so it will not rust or something like that. Maybe you can comment it if you know what exactly is that. I changed it before 3 months, and it's a long time, and I forgot what the name of that thing. Anyway, just take a little bit and apply that to the oxygen sensors where it screws. Once that is done, just insert to the old sensors place, and you should be good to go. Don't tighten it too much, because it is not good. Just you will feel actually how it will be fully fit, so just use your logic. And the other end, you can actually easily pull it from there, because there is a small hole there which I showed you earlier. So just feed through it. It will come actually through the firewall or whatever it is inside the body. The only thing is that all these time the battery should be completely unplugged. as I mentioned, I'm no way mechanic. I have no idea about how these things works too, but I kind of saved $700 and some time waiting in dealership, and it worked out very well. So I pulled that through that underneath. Now it is just a matter of plugging it back, then just put that plastic back and actually put the carpet back. It was very easy. It took less than, I don't know, 20 minutes for all these things. Only tough part is actually when you unscrew the old oxygen sensor. It usually sticks in very badly. So sorry for the camera, I'm actually trying to do all these things single-handedly. So yeah, now it is all fitted in. It looks good. You actually put the batteries back in and you start your vehicle, and all these P0137 and P0606 oxygen sensor issue might have gone away by now. Enjoy it. Please subscribe if you like the video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.